I'm Nick Turner, Head of Technical Product Innovation at CKO, and this is one of our brackets. This bracket allows for monitors and mirror monitors to be mounted to the ceiling of a vehicle. Traditional dash mount monitors with this grooved mounting plate can be used with this bracket to decrease dashboard clutter and give another mounting option for customers. Included with this bracket is an adapter plate that can be fixed to the rear of one of our mirror monitors. The adapter plate allows connectivity of the bracket by adding the necessary slot, allowing for installation of mirror monitors to the ceiling of the vehicle instead of the internal windshield. Monitors are secured in place by two retention nuts. The bracket has single ball head with control knob that release and locks the monitor in the optimal position for the user, allowing it to both pan and tilt. This video featured one of our many mounting options for our range of monitors and mirror monitors. For more mounting options and further information, please reach out to our sales team on 0208 863 8333.